Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and guys, this time I'm going to give you some updates about study in Canada, right? Or some of you are interested to study in Canada, so I would like to give you some updates, and they are all related to this pandemic coronavirus. Canada introduces more study and work permit flexibility, and there are three important things which I'm going to discuss with you in this video, so you should watch it till the end so that if you are interested to study in Canada or to work in Canada, then this information is quite important for you. Basically, there are three new measures, and these measures have been introduced to help individuals pursue Canadian study and work opportunities amid the coronavirus pandemic. Students can now study online while overseas. Overseas means in their own country. Like if I belong to Pakistan, so overseas means Pakistan. If someone belongs to India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, so overseas means in their own country. Students can now study online while overseas up until April 30th, 2021. So you can study online in your own country until April 30th, 2021 with no time deducted from the length of their postgraduate work permit. Postgraduate work permit is the work permit which is given once you complete your studies. So even if you are studying in your own country and you study until 30th April 2021, you are qualified for this postgraduate work permit as well. So long as, now there is a condition, and the condition is so long as students complete 50% of their studies in Canada. That's important. If, for example, you've got 2 years program, 1 year you complete in your own country and the second year you complete there, and then you qualify for PGWP, Postgraduate Work Permit. Second one is students who have signed up for a program that is 8 to 12 months in duration. Like there can be a short course, there can be a diploma, a certificate. So it's the students who have signed up for a program that is 8 to 12 months in duration with a start date from May to September 2020 will be able to complete their entire program abroad and still be eligible for postgraduate work permit. Another fringe benefit, another offer to attract students to come to Canada or to pay the fee for Canadian studies and all that. What is it? Very simple. If you have registered for 8 months to 12 months course, right, and the start date of the course is from May to September, right, 2020. So you will be able to complete your entire program in your own country, and once you finish the program successfully, then you can go to Canada once the travel restrictions are removed, and you will be eligible for postgraduate work permit. This is another big thing actually. The third one is students who enrolled in a program with a start date between May and September 2020 and study online up to April 30th, 2021, and who graduate from more than one eligible program may be able to combine the length of their programs of study when they apply for postgraduate work permit. As long as 50% of the studies are completed in Canada, you qualify for postgraduate work permit. Postgraduate work permit is once you complete your education, you are given a work permit that depends. It can be of 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, so that you could stay in Canada and you could work there. So these three developments are quite important developments. If you are planning to go to Canada to study and you are still confused, and by the way, they have imposed travel restrictions. I mean, they have extended travel restrictions now until the end of September. First, there were travel restrictions until the end of August, but now they have extended those travel restrictions until the end of September. So let's see what happens after September. So September intake will start in your home country if you are interested and all that, okay? But make sure before that you apply for study permit and they allow you to get the study permit. Without study permit, if you are studying, that will not be acknowledged, okay? I'm telling you again, you must have study permit, right? So far, this is the latest development which I shared with you, that Canada has introduced more study and work permit flexibility. That's all, guys. Thank you very, very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best with your study plans or work plans for Canada. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.